Alright, what is up? It's your boy Aing here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen. Today we got a fun one because I'm going to be talking about something I already talked about back on December 11th when I told you guys about the brand new Nissan Frontier. Now, maybe I was an early bird. An early bird always gets the worm. I don't want to seem like that guy, but I told you so. I don't know how I came across these videos. They were like super early videos on the brand new Nissan Frontier. I told Sandy, I told you guys, and it looks absolutely sick, and that's what everybody is saying now. So that's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. Oh wow, into today's video. In today's video, that's what we're gonna be talking about since it's making quite a bit of noise in the mid-size world. And I don't wanna say this, well, I'm gonna say it. It seems like they're being a little bit of copycats. I'm just putting it out there. We'll talk about that in today's video. So if you're at all interested, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. So we're talking about this because it's a brand new truck. It's fully redesigned, kind of, sort of. The body is redone. The engine, I believe, was in the last body style, but now it's, you know, fully redesigned. The power plant, it's a V6. It's a pretty big V6. It's a 3.8 V6. It has 310 horsepower. It's a pretty beefy truck. And that's what called my attention because I'm not necessarily a fan of this truck, right? I like it, it looks nice, but when someone steps the game up, it makes everybody else have to step the game up either higher or if not right there. Now 310 horsepower sounds pretty dang nice in the Tacoma with some new refreshes and revamps. I'm just saying, that would be nice. Are we gonna get it? Probably not. At the beginning of the video, I did talk about how I do feel like the Nissan is kind of a little bit of a copycat to the Toyota Tacoma. The launch color is called Boulder Gray Pearl. When I first saw it, it looked like cement gray. Now everybody copies each other and everybody does the same thing everyone else is doing, but it was just a little bit too obvious and too close to cement gray for me. Personally, I like to see somebody step out of the box and absolutely change the game. Like Toyota, with the FJ Cruiser, it's like a bright yellow. That color is completely out there, random, and it's cool. So it would have been cool for Nissan to kind of make their own lane and, you know, dominate that way instead of trying to, it feels like leeching off of Toyota. That's just my opinion though. Also with the black overlay and the black fenders, it just looks like it's trying to be too much of a Tacoma. I don't know. For that reason, I'm not too much of a fan of it because whenever you're stepping out of your car, you kind of want to upgrade to something better, if not to something different, and you're kind of stepping into the same thing. So let's get back to the power plant. So V8, V6, 3.8, 310 horsepower with a 9-speed automatic. Again, it's super interesting and I like it because that means that Toyota got to get rid of their horrible transmission and put in something cooler, newer, more exciting, hopefully. Please. The Nissan Frontier is freaking fully loaded. I looked at so many reviews before all this news got out and it lived up to what the hype was. I mean, it has all the tech, it has 360-degree cameras. Yeah, I know the Tacoma TRD Pro has it, but it looks like the TRD Pro is recording with a potato and the Nissan actually is using cameras. So that's why I give them credit, since it's actually looking functional and actually looks like it's high quality. So I guess the question is, will it overpass the Toyota Tacoma? I don't think so. I think the Toyota Tacoma could be redesigned with a 4-cylinder turbo, come in only 2-wheel drive, only have 1 seat in the truck, and Toyota will still do better than everybody else. It's just the reliability and the trust that we have for the Tacoma that no other company can really even compete with, especially coming from Nissan. All the news around them, if I even talk about them, people are like, stay away from them, they almost went bankrupt. All that negative energy that they're carrying around with themselves just puts them in even worse of a position. So I don't think that they're going to be even getting close to passing Toyota in any way, shape, or form, but they did put out a rather solid truck in looks and just on paper. We don't know, it hasn't even hit the floor yet. So once we see them on the road, hopefully we see them on the road, not on the side of the road, then we would kind of get a little bit more of a picture. Everybody likes the comeback, everybody likes the underdog, so maybe Nissan will just step up and absolutely kill it. I don't think so, not for at least another 2 years, and then if they start catching up, Toyota is, I'm assuming in 2 to 3 years, redesigning the Tacoma, so then they're going to get even more pushed down. So that's just my prediction. Another point that I got to give to them, the powertrain is actually really good. They're, like I said, industry leading. So it's going to be cool to see that everybody else is going to have to step up to that and pass it. I don't know where a mid-size truck would finish, right? Where is the limit that we're going to see? We've been around the 200 mark, now we're stepping up to the 300 mark. But could you imagine, let's just say 10 years from now, Toyota announces their brand new Toyota Tacoma and it has 450 horsepower. Would we even need that in a mid-size truck? I feel like 350 is the absolute max. After that, you're stepping into V8, turbo V6s. So I don't think we would need that much in a mid-size truck. The other thing that I was gonna give to this Frontier, which I'm actually really excited about, is the capabilities off-road. So a lot of people are into off-roading and they always ask for more power. So it has more power, it has a better trans, and it looks fairly capable. It looks pretty stocky. It can go off-road. It has, you know, a locking diff, 4 low, 4 high, 360 cameras. So it looks like it's capable. Tacomas are everywhere doing everything. So I'm excited with this next generation, what Nissan and Nissan fanboys are gonna be able to do. I don't think they're going to be able to step up to what we have done in the Tacoma world, just because there's not that much demand. And since there's not that much demand, there's not that many manufacturers who are trying to make that many mods. So it's going to kind of be a slow process for the Frontier, unfortunately. Another reason why it won't pass the Tacoma. If this video at all sparked your mind, made you think of something new, please leave that down below in the comment section. I'm super excited. I am going to be trying. I'm going to try my very hardest bestest to go to a Nissan dealership and try to test drive one for you guys. So if whenever I get one, or whenever they get here to the United States and they are out on the road, I will try to test drive one. If I can get one, I will drive one. I will let you guys know how it goes and we will go from there. So if you have any other questions, let me know down below. If you have anything to say about this Nissan Frontier and how horrible it is or how good it is, let me know. I'm interested. This is a super exciting video for me since I called it back like 2 months ago. I want to see what you guys have to say. So yeah, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.